Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to look at finding the radius and the center of a circle when the circle is in general form, okay? So I want to remind you that the equation the standard form equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And the center of this circle would be hk, and the radius would be r. All right, well, you can see that this is not in that form. This is what we call general form. And the way to actually find the radius and center is to put it into standard form. To put this in standard form, you have to do that by completing the square. All right, so hopefully you've already reviewed the completing the square video, but I'm going to remind you how to do it as we go. So to complete the square, you might notice there's two variables. So you want to put the x's together and the y's together and still bring that constant to the other side. So I always say always bring the constant to the other side of the equals, okay? And then organize the x's together and the y's together. So I'm going to do that like this. And here we go. All right, so to complete the square, we're trying to make a perfect square trinomial. So to do that, you take this middle term, this b term, 6, you cut it in half, which is 3, and then you square it, which is 9, so you add 9. But whatever you do on this left side of the equation, you have to do on the right side. Okay, and then we move on to the other part. Y squared minus 8y. We look at the 8y, so we take half of 8, which is negative 4, and then we square it, which is 16. So I'm going to add 16 to the other side. All right, so now what you've just done is you've created two perfect square trinomials. And in factored form, a perfect square trinomial will be written as the square of a binomial. So this in factored form would be x plus 3, and here's a plus sign. And this in factored form would be y minus 4, and both squared, equals. Okay, so 16 minus 13 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, so now we can see that our center would be negative 3, 4, and our radius would be the square root of 12. Now let's think about the square root of 12 a little bit. We could say that that is also 2 rad 3 in simplified form. All right, so that's how you take a general form of an equation of a circle and put it into standard form where you can see the center and the radius. How do I even know it's a circle though? Well, circles have the form x squared plus y squared. So that told me that this equation was a circle. So hopefully that was a helpful video, and have a great day.